I'm not interested in whitening for the business aspect of it, for the revenue side of it. It's not going to amount to much. So, think about what we charge for whitening. It's not going to amount to much. But what I really like about whitening is that it's a gateway service. It creates interest. It creates a better patient. There's data that shows that if a patient is whitening their teeth, they become more interested in their mouth. As a result, they do a better job of their home care. They're more likely to keep their hygiene appointments because they're more interested in their mouth. And they become more interested. Now, they might say 6 months later when you see them, hey, doctor, I love the color of my teeth, but what about this? What about that? What about this? I noticed my lower teeth aren't as straight as they could be. Is there anything I can do about that? So they bring it. It's a gateway service. It creates interest in everything else we do. And it creates a better patient, a more compliant patient, a patient that's more likely to keep their appointments. Plus, from a very simple business principle, Naren, is the idea of giving, I'm going to use business terms now. I'm going to call the patient a customer in the case of using business, is giving the customer what they want generally a pretty good business principle?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, why not, right? Because if you don't give them, they'll go find somebody else who will give them what they want.
Give them what they want. They want whiter teeth. Let's give them what they want.
What they want.
All right. I want to share 5.
And the other thing that I was thinking, Gary, as you were speaking is, I mean, this point that you made, it makes them think about their oral health, their smile, their appearance more seriously. It's almost like you take baby steps. It's like a child who starts swimming and now he or she can swim 10 feet. Now he wants to figure out, how do I swim, a whole length, and then maybe 10 lengths, and maybe now, swim in the lake for like a couple of miles.
It starts that first domino falling.
Exactly.
Yeah, we've all played dominoes. You know what happens when the first domino falls? It starts the whole train of dominoes falling. And the dominoes falling in this case are patients taking a greater interest in their mouth. And I'm sorry, guys, but that is an absolute winning strategy in your practice.